Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by enabling the accessibility features that let iPhone talk. This creates the engine we'll trigger automatically. First, open Settings and go to Accessibility, then Spoken Content. Turn on Speak Selection and Speak Screen so the system can vocalize text. Once done, check Voices and download a preferred voice for clearer output. Make sure the charger is ready to plug in, because the next step builds an automation that responds when power connects, not later. Now you'll create an automation to speak when the charger connects. Open Shortcuts, tap Automation, then create Personal Automation, pick Charger and choose When Connected. Add the Speak text action, type the exact phrase you want your iPhone to say, and tap Show More to pick the voice and speaking rate. Lower rates are clearer. Once configured, disable Ask before running so it speaks automatically. Test it immediately by plugging in the charger to confirm audio playback and timing. Finish by verifying sound settings so the spoken message is audible. Make sure the ringer and media volume are up, Do Not Disturb isn't blocking audio, and the chosen voice is fully downloaded. If the automation didn't speak, open Shortcuts to confirm Ask before running is off and the automation is enabled, then retest. If it still fails, use the Speak Screen fallback. Swipe down with 2 fingers on the screen after connecting to force voice output while you adjust settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.